I welcome you all to Shriya Health Care YouTube channel. The main purpose or intention of this video is to help those people who cannot able to understand Tamil and to help people with more information regarding many chronic disorders. Okay, in this video we are going to see or we are going to brief a detailed information regarding arthritis, particularly how to stop all the joint pains of arthritis in a very natural way, because people who are suffering because of this disease usually think that this disease is an autoimmune disorder, it is uncurable, they have to continue their pills throughout their life. But it is absolutely not correct. They can able to cope up with this problem without any single pills if they follow our video guidelines, because we are sharing our patient experience and we are not introducing or not selling any medicines to you. Okay. First, understanding is very important before treating a disease. As already I mentioned, it is not an autoimmune problem. So, first we should understand what is the root cause for this problem. Okay, this problem is completely because of gas accumulation inside the nerves and joints of the body. So, how gas will enter inside the bones? Only through blood circulation. So, if we eat some foods like heavy proteins or fat, automatically body will find difficult to digest those heavy foods. Automatically gas will form inside the stomach and it will travel throughout the body with the help of our bloodstream. So this is the main reason for this problem. So in order to come out of this problem, we have to correct our food habits. We have to think logically. If we get a fever, that is some acute illness like cold or fever, doctor definitely will recommend a food control for at least 3 days. So for this acute problem, we need a food control in the sense. For this kind of chronic problem, why patient long-term food history is not being considered. So that is the starting point for this problem. So it may be patient may be under any age group, maybe 35 or 40 or 50 or 60. The main root cause is because of their continued wrong food habits for a long period of time. Okay, let us go into some more brief information regarding this disease. In this video, we are going to provide a diet sheet and medicine guidelines to treat all kind of arthritis. It may be a rheumatoid arthritis, it may be a osteoarthritis, or it may be a psoriatic arthritis. We are going to provide a one-step solution to treat all kind of this joint pains in a very natural way, particularly through food control. Proper food control will reduce pain. People are not giving more attention to that. We have to think when we get more pain and when the intensity of pain is getting reduced. That should be observed throughout a day. If we take some liquid diet like fruit juices or some probiotic drinks like buttermilk, definitely the level of pain will be low. But no one is properly observing that. Instead of that, people are taking more calcium-enriched foods like cheese or butter or like badam, almonds. Those kind of heavy protein and this kind of foods will increase or aggravate the pain. So no one is not observing what their daily intake and its relationship with the intensity of the pain. That is the main thing we have to understand in order to come out of any kind of joint pain. People who are suffering because of this arthritis will have different kind of disorders or deformities. For example, some people have more pain in their fingers. They have swelling in each and every joint of the finger and they have a very sharp pain, particularly in the early morning. Some people will have pain throughout night. They don't have a proper sleep. If sleep is disturbed, new cell regeneration is also get disturbed. So this will aggravate their overall body pain. And some people will have a chronic inflammation and swelling in one knee. And some people will have swelling and pain in both the knees. And some people will have ankle pain. Some people will have foot pain. And some people will have the big toe pain. That is very, very difficult. They will feel more heat in the big toe and some redness, some inflammation in the toe. They cannot be able to bear the pain even if they have more steroids or painkiller also. So we should understand that the gas, without reducing the gas level, the intensity of the pain cannot be stopped even with the help of more powerful tablets. So all this kind of bone deformities can be categorized or grouped into single roof. Like we have to reduce the overall gas level of the patient. Overall body heat should get reduced in order to stop all kind of pains. It may be a sharp pain, it may be a pricking pain, or it may be a on and off pain. For some people, pain will come for 1 hour, and the next 1 hour, they don't feel pain. So all kind of these pain, joint pains, everything we can able to stop naturally if we have some patience, and we should allocate some quality time to come out of this problem. Okay, let us go to the diet sheet. Okay, we are recommending a 15 days diet sheet, but those having this problem for a very long period of time can even take this or continue this diet for 3 to 6 months. Okay, the main first and foremost thing of our diet sheet is probiotic drink. What is a probiotic drink? You have to ferment a probiotic drink. For example, all kind of traditional millets or traditional rice like black rice, red rice, or millets like finger millet, foxtail millet, kodo millet, little millet. All kind of millets, either you can grind it and use, or you can cook it properly after soaking. You have to cook it completely for 20 to 25 minutes, either in a mud pot or in a silver vessel. After cooking, you have to soak it for overnight, at least 10 hours. It should get soaked in water in order to digest properly, or it will get a good bacterial formation. Like lactobacillus formation is very important. That will increase our overall immune system. So we also uploaded a video how to make a probiotic drink, so you can check from our playlist. Still you have any queries, you can comment us. And second thing is dry dark grapes juice. Dry seeded grapes will be available in all supermarkets. You have to soak at least 50 grams of dry grapes for 4 hours, then grind it. Then you filter it with hot water or cold water. Then you can have 200 to 250 ml of grape juice daily. Because all arthritis patients will have anemia. They will have only 9 to 10% of hemoglobin, because body will intake more hemoglobin in order to repair all the bones, all the joints. Then watermelon, it's an excellent substitute. Pomegranate juice, watermelon, cucumber juice, this and all you can have daily. Oranges, in order to increase your hemoglobin content. Then regarding fresh antioxidant juice, you can consume hibiscus flower or leaves juice. You can paste 10 to 15 hibiscus leaves of flower in a mixie jar, then add some hot water, filter it, and then you have to drink that by proper dilution. You can have at least 1 liter of juice every day in order to increase your calcium bone density. Then you can consume more vegetables like bottle gourd, cucumber, radish. All kind of water vegetables is very good for digestive system. Then regarding the solid intake, either you can take soaked rice with all traditional rice. You have to soak it completely for 10 hours, or you can take fermented food like idli or dosa, appam, like kind of all fermented foods. The batter should get fermented at least 8 hours in order to reduce your overall gas level. So more vegetable and fruits intake is very essential in order to cope up with the pain. If you are having pain, you should not go for heavy protein or fat. It will double your pain. So that thing you have to think before you have any kind of diet. Okay, before we go for herbal detox to reduce all joint pains, we should know how to interpret the report, because after getting pain, the first and foremost thing what we do, we go for some blood checks, and if it is positive, we go for pills. But it's not the proper way to handle this problem. So before going for report, we can able to measure the intensity of arthritis through patient food itself. So that is the main advantage of food reflexology, and that we do through an online treatment. So we are showing some many foods of arthritis patient. So you can note down the structure of the food, like that inner food. You can able to see some marks in the toe area, big toe area of all arthritis patient. Some may have some glass-like formation, some may have like swelling. So all this indicates that they have some bone damage, they have some bone bone disorders like this kind of osteoarthritis or some kind of vitamin D deficiency is there. So that we can able to find out easily, and after particular period of diet, this marks will get vanished. So that gives us a proper identification that the patient is going through recovery path, and after that only we have to give importance to the report. And we have also marked in some blue this round markings which indicates the lungs area of the patient. So all arthritis patient will have this lungs problem, like accumulation of sputum inside the lungs. This particular sputum will not come out for all arthritis patient, and it will get dried inside the lungs itself. So after the dryness, some effervescent gas is produced from the sputum, and this gas will get deposited in all the bones, and this is the reason for all kind of bone deformities. Like some patient cannot even turn their wrist. The wrist area will get like locked. They cannot able to move their wrist. Some people they cannot able to move their hip. For some people they cannot able to move their shoulder. So all kind of this jam is only because of this gas. So and regarding the reports, people usually take RA, CRP, ASO, ANA. If this is positive, they are marked as arthritis patient, but it is definitely not. This reports indicates their level of gas in the blood. So some people may also have a hidden level of gas inside the joints also. So proper diet will dissolve all the gas inside the joints. Until then, the reports will be little bit higher only. So it's like we have to take example for fever. If a patient get vomits or diarrhea, the fever temperature, the readings will get automatically go down. But instead, if we give some pills and reduce the temperature, then after few days, patient will have body pains or kind of cold or flu. So this is the basic root cause behind the arthritis. So we have to interpret reports properly, and we have to take medicines accordingly, and we have to manage all the pains through natural massages, acupressure points. So all the guidelines we are giving through our online diet counseling, definitely that will help you to come out of all your pain problems. Okay, now we go for the herbal detox remedy. As I mentioned already, food is the primary medicine, and this herbal detox is a secondary choice to reduce all your pains. So without keeping proper diet, don't buy and don't consume medicine. And I already mentioned you can buy medicine from anywhere through online website. Just type the name what I have mentioned in the slide in Google. It will show its English name or botanical name. So you can buy online. If you need medicine from us, just WhatsApp 99409 42623. We will deliver. We also deliver good quality of medicine to you. Okay, let us see the morning medicine. Manjal karisalai powder. You buy 50 grams of manjal karisalai powder, then mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Consume before food every day. Then afternoon medicine, before food, Mookiratai powder plus tripla churnam. Buy 50 grams each and mix equally. Take 1 spoon with hot water before food. Night medicine, senna leaves tea. Mix with quarter spoon of sukka powder and consume after food with jeera water every night. So you can consume this medicine for even 3 to 6 months also, as per the intensity of your pain level. And we wanted to give awareness regarding juvenile arthritis. Now many children under the age of 3 or 6 years, 10 years are also being affected by juvenile this arthritis problem. So they can also follow our diet guidelines and medicine guidelines, but reduce the dosage intake to all children. And one more information regarding your painkillers. If people who are taking painkillers for long period of time, they can also follow this diet. And people who are taking sugar pills or BP pills also follow this medicine. But take the herbal medicine 2 hours after your pills. So that this will not disturb your the pills intake. And after following our diet, try to reduce all your chemical intake little by little. And Another information we want to give. Cupping is a very essential technique. It's a very good pain relief technique that we are practicing in our clinic. So it relieves all kind of pain, but a proper advice is required before going for cupping. So that advice also we are giving to all our patients. And regarding pain relief oil, we recommend Ulundu Thailam, Chukku Thailam, Vadanarayanan Thailam. These also you can get from some websites. So you can buy online or through some nearby herbal medicine shop, and you can apply every day night after some gentle massages. And regarding massages, you can refer our Tamil videos, like we have uploaded many videos for this arthritis. And in those videos we have mentioned how to do this arthritis massages. Soon we will publish videos in English version regarding this arthritis massage and blood circulation techniques, acupressure, everything. So we do provide online diet consulting. That is, we are not selling any medicines to you. We give you a proper guidelines, a proper food habits, and a proper herbal medicine recommendations in order to reduce all your problems through WhatsApp. It is a online consultation for which you have to send all your patient history to our WhatsApp number 9677400926. Definitely we are there to help you out. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I thank God for this opportunity. Thank you so much.